What's up guys, and today we're gonna play CSR Racing 2, and today we have episode 17, and today is another ladder race, but this time with the tier 3 car, with the Ford Mustang GT. But anyways, let's race the tier 3 ladder race, and see what number we're up to. It looks like there's a new event going on. With the Ford GT, you have to unlock for a times 10 chance of silver keys. That's what I was trying to say. And we have an easy race. I guess this is going to go sooner than we think. Tier 3 ladder race number 14. Yep, I can definitely overtake that blue Dodge LB SRT Hellcat. But anyways, let's start this. We're overtaking him as soon as we've overtaken him. Sooner than we think, I'm trying to say. And there goes the blue Dodge Charger LB SRT Hellcat. I think that's its name. But anyways, please comment, like and subscribe for more videos.